Okay, so today we'll be opening up this STP cartridge oil filter number S10358, and we'll be comparing it to this Carquest cartridge oil filter number R84064. And I got these two oil filters from a very generous viewer whose name is Eric from Seacliff, New York. Thanks, Eric. These oil filters fit Eric's 2009 Scion XD. Yep, the one with the 1.8 liter 4-cylinder engine. And these two oil filters are going to duke it out. Could get ugly, folks. And when the dust clears, we'll see who the winner is. So let's get started.
You gotta glue the silicone, get nice and tight, get your inner here, go trace it.
Okay, we'll start with the STP, and we'll start with the box. This filter is rated for 5,000 miles, and actually both filters are rated for 5,000 miles. The filter number, over here you got some filters that it replaces, crosses over to, and I don't know, you can freeze that if you want. And this is in a different language. I don't know what that is, French or Spanish. And that's all there is on this box. Okay, so this filter comes with a O-ring gasket. And here's the filter itself. We look over here, it says made in Argentina. Okay, there's no core in these filters. At least in this one, there's no core in this filter. Just the pleats that hold it together. Pleats, and this is like a molded rubber. You know, you can see how it's all crooked and stuff. So it's like a molded rubber on here. Yeah, it's and put the number of pleats up on the screen. It's got 55 pleats. There's a metal crimp seam. And this is a cellulose filter media, but I couldn't find a micron rating. I'm getting these off of AutoZone website, but I couldn't find a micron rating on this filter. Okay. Now, the Carquest filter. There's not really anything on this box, anything that's important. You could freeze that if you wanted to see that, but see product for country of origin. That's about it on this box. Also, nitro rubber O-ring gasket. And we got here the filter number. And right here, made in Korea. Also, there's no plastic core, no center core in there. This is like kind of like made like the Toyota filters, some of them. Okay, I think the seam's right here. And this filter has 43 pleats. So it has 12 less pleats. And like I said earlier, it's rated for 5,000 miles. Cellulose filter media with a micron rating of 95.1%. Efficiency at 20 microns. 95.1. That's a good one. Okay. There's not much to these filters, so let's get the weight of these filters. Okay, so the STP filter, 30.8 grams. Carquest filter, 21 grams even. Okay, and we'll get the width. Let's get the width of these filters. So you go like this with this one. 1.82 inches wide for the STP, 2.12 for the Carquest. Okay, let me cut these two filters open, stretch them out, see what they look like under a microscope. Be right back. Okay, here are both filters all stretched out. And the STP oil filter is 57 inches long. The Carquest filter is 53.5 inches long. Okay, let's get the thickness of this filter media. STP filter is 0.79 millimeters thick. The Carquest filter is 0.87 millimeters thick. Okay, this is the filtering side, back side. And if we take a look at these guys under a microscope, they look like they do a pretty equal job of filtering. Maybe the STP a little bit better, but they're pretty close. So let's take a look at that microscope picture. So I think they would do a pretty equal job of filtering. You get about 10 more square inches of filter media with the Carquest oil filter. And let's take a look at the rest of the filter. So there's not really much to these filters. What I did forget to show you last time was, I forgot to show you the filter number on this one, S10358. You can barely see it there. And the day code. I don't know what if this is the day code on here or not, but it looks like it's 090224, which to me would be September 2nd, 2024, maybe. And this one, the day code right here, 25M5J151723. I don't know, maybe that's 2025. I don't know. And these are both nitro rubber O-rings. So between the two, I think I would take either one of them, because they both look like they'd probably do an equal job of filtering. What do you guys think? Please post your comments down below. Oh, one other thing I want to mention. I didn't take a filter media weight with these, because I didn't cut them exactly straight. See how much filter material I left on here? Usually this one just didn't cut good for me, so they were hard to cut. And this one's kind of messed up too. So no filter weight on these, but I think they're pretty similar. And again, I want to thank Eric for sending me these two oil filters. And I think I'll wrap this video up. And don't forget, Oil Filter Fridays. I try to upload an oil filter every Friday on this YouTube channel. So if you like this video, please hit that like button. Thanks for watching, and take care. Okay, I just want to show these. This is more of a rubber than a plastic. Look at all that bends. And they're both like that. This one, this Carquest one is like that too. See that? So it's pretty flexible. Now if it was a hard plastic, it would just snap.